So, you want to build a high-converting landing page for your website? Maybe you want to show off those awesome testimonials from your students. Or perhaps you've got something specific you want to highlight on your platform. Well, here's the thing. You can create a page that really showcases what you have to offer. And honestly, it's pretty straightforward. OnlineCourseHost.com has a page builder feature that lets you create, well, basically any kind of page you want. Landing pages, home pages, bundle pages, you name it. Here's how you do it. First, you'll need to log into your website. Then just click that page builder button. Easy enough, right? Now you'll see this view where you can create a new page. You've got a few options here. You can go with a home page, which comes with some default templates that you can totally customize or just delete if they're not your thing. There's also a bundle page option. This one's designed specifically to highlight your course bundles. You can also choose a blank page, which is my personal favorite. It's like a blank canvas where you start from scratch. You can add as many sections as you want. So once you've decided what kind of page you want, click the Create Page button. Now you'll need to fill in the details, give it a name, and write a description. Oh, and here's something important. You'll need to create a unique page URL. Just remember, no spaces in your URL, okay? You can either use hyphens to separate words or just write them all together. When you're done with all that, click Create Page. This brings you to the main workspace where the real fun begins. Now you'll add your first section. Click the Add Section button and boom, you get 15 different section types to choose from. Let me walk you through some of these. Rich text, this basically works like a blog section for your platform. Images, perfect if you want to showcase some beautiful visuals. Video section, great for welcome videos. Welcome to our course type stuff. Custom HTML, this is handy if you've created something outside the platform and want to embed it. Then you've got headers, these show the main heading of your page. Benefits section, this is where you highlight what your students will gain from using your platform and buying your courses. Course content lets you showcase different lessons from a specific course. Course cards. Now this is cool. It displays all your courses and honestly, they look so good that students will want to check out everything you offer, not just one course. Call to action, or CTA as we call it. This is how you get your students excited about checking out your platform. Bundle details, perfect for showcasing your course bundles. Students can see what courses you've bundled together, the pricing, all that good stuff. Newsletter section, invite students to join your email list. Tell them what they'll get by being part of it. FAQs, answer those initial questions students always have. This way they'll know like 80% of what your platform's about before they even buy anything. Highlighted boxes, if there's something specific you want to highlight, this is your go-to. Testimonials, got reviews from past or current students. Show them off. This is social proof that your platform and courses are worth it. And finally, latest lessons. Showcase all your newest content, whether you want to display the oldest or the latest first. Now here's a pro tip. As you add pages, make sure you save regularly. Trust me, you don't want to lose your work if you accidentally refresh the tab. Once you've added all the sections you want, head over to Page Settings. You'll want to upload a preview image for your page. This helps you recognize your pages if you end up creating a bunch of them. When everything looks good, you need to publish your page. After that, go back to the Page Builder section. From there, you can set the page as your home page, add it to your top menu, or delete it if you change your mind. You can always edit pages later by clicking that little pencil icon. You can copy the page link to share with students, or just view the page to see how it looks. So when you create a page, this is what you'll get. It all depends on how you've designed it and what sections you've included. Pretty neat, right? Let's do a quick recap. Creating a landing page on OnlineCourseHost.com is really simple. Just log in, click the Page Builder tab, and you're free to create something amazing. Give your students something wonderful to land on when they visit your website. That's it. Pretty straightforward stuff. I'll see you in the next video.